Everybody, back here, EMD Automotive. Just want to show what we're doing today. Porsche 996 came in. We done the AMS bearing and a lot of stuff that was changed on the car. But today I want to show you the drop links, which is a common problem on the actual 996s and 996 in Boxster and in the 911 996. So what happened is the boot is ripped here. And it's very noisy when you're driving over the bumps. So here's a brand new one. Here, we're going to fit it in the car now. So basically, it's got to go from the back, on top, from the back here. There's a hole there. Sorry, there's no light, but I'll come back. So it just goes on the back here, straight through. See? Through there, and then the bottom part connects to the extra sway bar. Sorry about that. That's it. And put the two nuts on and torque them up to 75 Newton meters. 65 between 65 to 75. All right. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.